Okay, hey tubers, we're home. Plus I did one. See the snowdrift right here? I gotta get the journey out. Oh shit, see it's very windy. So that's why I'm taking a journey out where we can take this stuff out. Journey should start. I mean, we gotta get journey out of that one section there. Start journey up. You know, probably only was a couple days that we were not here. So let me put the camera over here. So you can see Journey getting out. Alright tubers, now I'm going to put the truck into the garage. So, let's do it. Journey in. Alright tubers, that's the kind of like the cold start. It's only been, it hasn't been that long. I forget, maybe 3 days or so that the journey has started. Well, that's getting the journey out of the garage. See, there's no problem. So we got a nice snow drift right here. That does that for us. Well, this is craziness right here, but now I can take all the snow out. So, alright. So that's the cold start of the journey and getting a journey out and putting the truck in the garage and putting the journey back. Alright, see you tubers.